In this section, we're going to discuss how do you understand how it's working, and we're going to discuss some of those back things, aka the analytics. So once you log into the console, you're going to be brought to this default view. What we're going to do is in the left pane, there should be an option that says analytics. We're going to select that. What analytics does is it gives us the ability to see those reviews in terms of a long-term strategy to see how the reviews are going. So if we're getting more reviews over time, we can see that. If the reviews end up being stagnant, may want to look into that to see if there's something that we can change. And we can also adjust the periods up to 6 months. The other thing that we can do is we can see where the reviews are coming in depending on this. So if someone is using a QR code versus someone is using an email invite that's in the system, we can also see negative reviews. So if we think there's some negative review trending, we can go back and say, okay, what's going on here, and do some basic assessments. They tried, from what I understand, to make this console as simple as possible, and I think they've done a really good job. There's no technical skills required other than looking at the charts and being able to, at a simple level, understand what's going on in the chart view. Okay, so that wraps up this particular section.